Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To access and replace the tail light bulbs, you need to open the car trunk and take out the headlight housing. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. To remove the light block, you must remove the screw which is located on the trunk. To do this, use a 10mm spanner. Remove the connection to the connector board by pushing on the plastic tab with your index finger, all while pulling it towards you. Extract the light block, pulling it towards you. To access the bulbs, separate the two plastic tabs on the connector board located on the upper and lower extremities of the lights. Each bulb is removed in the same way. Push it in and unscrew with a quarter turn. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. To reassemble the whole thing, carefully put the connector board in place, then push down so that the tabs clip it in. Insert the light into the compartment, paying careful attention to position the trunk seal correctly. You can then reconnect the connector. Finally, finish by screwing the holding nut with a spanner. Operation completed.